Hey everybody, this is Gary Kay. We are at ISE 2020. We're back in the Avocor booth. We've been here a couple of times today, but we're going to talk about UC Workspace. Now UC Workspace, that company that builds Quick Launch, is actually launching a brand new product here at ISE 2020 called Weave, W-E-A-V, A-V. And I got two gentlemen here from UC Workspace to demonstrate it for me. Jack Stevenson, he's going to actually show us, first of all, we're going to explain how it works, what Weave does, what it's designed for, and then he's going to demonstrate it along with Joel Steve. And Joel's going to be sort of collaborating with the content. So Jack, first explain, I know that statistically only about 20% of people participate actively in meetings, and the idea behind Weave is to increase that active participation, the engagement.
Yeah, and the way we do that, Gary, is, it's 2020, everybody has technology in their pocket or a laptop. We connect those devices together and in effect connect the people together. Think about put a keyboard and mouse in everybody's hands and the impact that'll have.
So we're going to connect with the app on the PC.
That's right.
We connect to the board, we're connect now to the board. And now we're literally real-time collaborating with the board wirelessly, much like a lot of wireless sharing products do. You have like all different kinds of hardware and software-based wireless sharing products, but what they don't do is what, Jack?
Yeah, well, here's the thing. I can do everything that I might want to do directly with the big screen from my laptop. In fact, everybody in the room can, and you just saw a simple example.
I can literally interact with your computer and take control either direction, push both ways. Sorry about that. I think I actually shut you out. You're going to relaunch here. Yeah. And so everything I do here can be mirrored there.
Yeah, let's do an example of that, Gary. Let's open up a browser here, and this is an example of touch back.
Yeah, two-way touch. Back to the original display.
But it gets a little bit better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get Joel. He can connect in. I'm going to open up a QR code here. Joel's going to connect in.
I think I touched it. I apologize.
Yeah.
Go back to the QR code.
Joel's going to open up Weave and connect in with the QR code. And so it's basically turned that into a session ID, and now...
There, he's up there. By the way, your name's Patty, Joel.
And the thing is, he could share out, but what basically... Now you can close that QR code, you might as well. So he can use his mouse there to switch...
So he's basically collaborating from his phone on a meeting in real time, which is also being reflected back at all locations.
And we call that touch through. Touch forward, touch back, touch through.
Yeah, so sort of like three-way touch, because even the remote participants are seeing the content just like if you were in the room.
Yeah, and the thing is, Gary...
So everyone's taking control of everything simultaneously.
That's it, right. And we do not just screen sharing, we do file sharing as well, because what we want... Get away from that passive lecture style approach and have everybody actually creating and editing content.
So the idea is wireless sharing, just like a lot of companies do, two-way touch, which only a few companies do, with touch back, and then touch through, where everyone is able to mirror each other and see all the content simultaneously and interact with it. So in his case, he could be in the room just using it as a mouse. He could put his content up here from his phone. You'd see that content shared here. And we're working all together collaboratively, regardless of where anybody is.
Yeah, and the other thing we do, security is a big issue. We keep the security on the device because no logging into the big screen, right? You're authenticating locally.
All right, so then very secure. And then the question is it only going to work on a collaboration board, or will it work on any kind of display as long as you have a computer in the room?
That's exactly right.
So you'll be able to, so UC Workspace, because right now Quick Launch, obviously want to have a collaboration board, you'll license this or sell this as a separate software tool.
Separate software subscription service,
And it's completely cloud-based, I guess, in a way.
Right.
I mean, you're connecting each device through the cloud, and you're collaborating through the cloud. How real time is it? What's the delay? I mean, I didn't really notice anything.
So,
is there a statistic on that?
In terms of the mouse, it's very quick. In terms of the screen, we're seeing latency 50 milliseconds on a good network.
Okay, so that's equivalent to AV over IP right now. So that's really good. And this is the first version. We're looking at a beta version of this. This product will officially announced here, but it will ship when?
2 to 4 months. It'll be here by InfoComm.
Be here by InfoComm. So go to ucworkspace.com. Search for Weave, W-E-A-V, WeAV,
yeah.
and you'll see all the information on their website. And of course, you can see all the videos we shot here at ISE 2020 for every manufacturer here, but also for UC Workspace. But just go on ravepubs.com/ISE 2020, type in UC Workspace in the video search window or any brand in the video search window. You'll find all the videos. Jack, Joel, Gary, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.